have a discussion again about the traditions in a family. Very important. Let us discuss something about the traditions in a family. Let us have small chatting about different types of traditions. Different families have different traditions, and every family follow the traditions from generations. Your parents follow, their parents followed it, their parents followed it. The tradition is something which is coming from generations, that we call it as a tradition. For example, let us discuss with some examples about the tradition. Generally, early morning your mother gets up before sunlight, before the sun comes. That is a tradition. And the moment she gets up, she just worships the Mother Earth. She starts worshipping the Mother Earth first. And she just rubs the hand and just sees her hand, and then she gets up. Right? So this is a tradition which is coming. Means she is worshipping the Mother Earth, saying that, thanking her. Right? Because of her only we are able to exist. Because of this, Mother Earth is just making us to move very smoothly, we are able to live. So she is thankful to that Mother Earth. So she is giving a namaskaram. She is putting a namaskar to the Mother. This is a tradition. This she observed from her mother. Her mother observed from her mother. Generations observation. This is a tradition which comes from the habit which comes from different generations. We call it as a tradition. The moment she comes, she just gets up. She sweeps all the things. She just puts some water. She just puts some kind of rangoli. So this is a tradition we have early morning. So this is a tradition which she has observed from her mother. Again, her mother. They have done. She is doing. Tomorrow you will do that. Your children will do that. Their children will do that. It has to pass. The traditions are something which we have to pass to the next generation very carefully. This is the tradition. And one more example. Different traditions, different festivals we celebrate, different festivals. Let us take an example of Pongal. During the time of Pongal, what do we observe? On the first day of the Pongal, 3 days generally we celebrate the Pongal festival. First day of the Pongal festival, your parents will worship all their parents, their grandparents, because of their great-grandparents, today they are. So, they worship to all the people, though they are not present in front of them physically. They worship them. They just put some kind of prasad and they worship, they recollect all the previous generations of people. They thank all the generations. Today we are existing because of those generations. So thanking to our forefathers is a very important thing in our tradition. We do it. And they give the head bath to the children and all the things to the children. And they give new clothes to the children. They bless the children. They bless the children. So in that way the first day goes with some. The second day, on the second day, they put a good rangoli before, and they put the cow dung cakes on it. We call as gobbemal. They put all different types of vegetables, different things, and they decorate the rangoli. This is a tradition. They do prepare some kind of prasad at home because the crop is coming. This is a celebration of the yielding of. We are getting all the yielding. So the newly we get the crop. With that, they do some kind of prasad. They do sweet out of it. They do some kind of pulagam out of it. They do some kind of, different places have different habit. This is a tradition. And they give to all the peoples around them, surrounding them. And they try to distribute, share the things. See, sharing is also a tradition. We don't fully enjoy the thing what we have done. We give to all the people before we eat. This is a tradition. And the third day, we celebrate for the cows. We worship the cows. We worship all the animals. We worship the field. We worship all the things. This is a Kanuma. On that Kanuma day, this is a kind of, and they give the kites to the children. The children will be playing nicely with the kites, enjoying. So in that way, we are having a tradition. And this tradition we are getting from generations, and this is going to continue for the next generations. So, all the festivals, we see the different families have different traditions. For example, you take Holi. On that Holi, what you do? You know what are the things that you do? You enjoy different colors are there. You just burn. Kama Dahanam, we say it's Kama Dahanam. We burn the things before day. And different places, the Holi is being celebrated in a different manner. Similarly, different festivals. Like Diwali, children enjoy the crackers, and the elders will be putting a row of all the lights. They lit all the lights in a row, and they exhibit the toys and all the things. And different sweets are being done, the Lakshmi Pujas are being done. Different families have different traditions, and they celebrate according to their tradition. So traditions are something which are coming from generations. See, wearing a sari, this is a tradition. This is our tradition. Wearing a jeans pant is not our traditions. Our parents or grandparents did not wear, but today we are getting this as a new tradition. We are borrowing this tradition from the foreign countries. But this is not our native tradition. This is our native tradition. And in some families, all the family members sit together and eat together. This eating together is also a good tradition. So, good tradition. There are many good traditions are there in our every family. And it is our responsibility to carry forward the culture and heritage of this country. The traditions must be protected and to be to be followed by the next generations. So I request all the children, try to inquire about your traditions, follow it to your home, discuss with your mother, discuss with your grandparents about the different traditions. Observe what are the traditions that you are following every day. Try to observe. There are so many ways there are so many traditions are there. If I keep on giving a list, hundreds of traditions are there which we follow. So my dear friends, try to note down all the different types of traditions and give respect to the tradition. See, tulsi plant is there in every house. Your mother soon after having bath, she just put some fresh water to it and lit a lamp to it. This is not tradition. But these small things are going to add to our life. So we have to give respect to the traditions, and we must continue the traditions for the next generations. It is our responsibility. Please try to list out some of the traditions that you are following at your home. So okay, my dear friends, let us please write some of the hard words. Traditions in the family, traditions, festival, celebrating. We celebrate the different festivals. Generation, these traditions are coming from many generations. Preparing, we are there is some kind of preparation taking place for any important festival take place. Blessings is very important. We must take the blessings of the elders. Very important thing. Most important thing. We must be blissful, not cursing. We must not get the curse of the elders. We must get the blessing of the elders. That is possible only when you give respect to them, when you are obedient to them, when you listen to them, then you get the blessings. Next, culture. This is the culture we are having. The tender leaves which are tender, which are very fine, newly born leaves, we call them as tender leaves. Farmer is a person who is giving food for us. The crops, we are getting the food from the crops. So my dear friends, please try to write down the hard words and discuss different traditions that you are following at home. Try to wear the traditional dresses, right? Try to wear the dhoti. Try to learn how to wear the different traditional dresses at home. Thank you very much for listening to my class. Thank you.